All right. This is worksheet 2 for homework number 2. And we're going to break it up into two sections. One for 6-3, and then the other one will be for 7-1, which is percentages. Let's start off this section with discussing the rectangular coordinate system. It says here, the foundation of graphing in mathematics is a system of locating data points using a pair of perpendicular number lines. They're perpendicular is because when they intersect each other, they make a 90-degree angle. We call each one an axis. The horizontal line is called the x-axis, which is right here. The vertical line is called the y-axis, which is here. The point where the two intersect is the origin, and the origin has the coordinates of 0 and 0. Collectively, they form what is known as the rectangular coordinate system, sometimes called the Cartesian plane. The two axes divide the plane into 4 quadrants, which are numbered using Roman numerals. Quadrant 1, Quadrant 2, Quadrant 3, Quadrant 4. Let's make some analysis about our quadrants. Suppose X and Y are real numbers, but I want to say positive real numbers. In quadrant 1, as you can see, the value of X and the value of Y are both positive. So X is positive, Y is also positive. But when we move over to quadrant number 2, the X is negative, but the Y's remain positive. So our X is negative, our Y is positive. Going down to quadrant 3, both the X values and the Y values are negative. Therefore, X is negative, Y is also negative. Last but certainly not least, quadrant 4, the X is positive, but the Y is negative. So positive X, negative Y. I'm going to give you guys 2 more pieces of information. And I'm going to do that when we do question number 1 in this video. So what we're going to do is we're going to get comfortable with plotting points on our graph, on our coordinate plane. Number 1 says plotting and identifying coordinates. You want to plot the following points, and then we're going to make an analysis about some of those points. The first one says 5, -3. X is positive, Y is negative. You start from the origin, which is 0, 0. Follow the value of X. X is positive 5. So you're going to move 5 to the right. Y is -3. That means you're going to move 3 down. This right here is the point of 5, -3. And this point right here is in quadrant number 4. The point next is 0, 4. X is 0. So that means we move neither to the right nor to the left. We stay right here at the origin. The Y value is 4, which means we move 4 units up. This here is the point 0, 4. This point is also on the y-axis. So we can call this point the y-intercept. And we call it the y-intercept because this point intercepts with the y-axis. And as we can see, when we have a y-intercept, the value of x is 0. This will be very important when we go over x and y intercepts in question number 5. The next coordinate is going to be -3, -2. X is -3. Start at the origin, move 3 to the left. Y is -2. We move 2 units down. This is the point of -3, -2. And that's in quadrant number 3. 2, 0. Well, -2, 0. Start at the origin, move 2 to the left. Because the y value is 0, we neither move up nor down. This point is located right here on the x-axis. And because that point is located on the x-axis, we can call this the x-intercept. And as we can see, the x-intercept is where the point crosses the x-axis and the value of y is 0. So y is 0 when it comes to the x-intercept. And then the last one that we're going to do is going to be 2, 6. X is 2, y is 6. That is right up here. And that is how you graph coordinates. When it's on the x-axis, it is the x-intercept, y is 0. When the coordinate is on the y-axis, that's the y-intercept, x is 0. All right, guys, I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.